1 billion euro over 10 years, so that we
Presidente,
and I hope we want
o que eu queria, presidente, era
to bring the greetings from Friedrich Merz and
trazer saudações do chanceler.
we called once again and
Ele
had a
ligou
decision in the
novamente.
German government after checking all the circumstances, and we are convinced that this tropical forest fund is an excellent idea. To protect the rainforests, wants to be part of it.
E a Alemanha quer ser parte disso.
But as we don't want to give just loans, we want to give cash money. So to have a own capital, 1 billion euro over 10 years, so that we
Presidente,
and I hope it
Tá bom.
I asked him if it was good.
bom.
It's
O
good.
investimento
The investment is a good
de
one.
bilhão de euros
1 billion euros
anunciado
announced
pelo representante do
by
primeiro-ministro.
the representative of the Prime Minister.
A novidade do
No, what's new
TFFF
about
é que
TFFF?
ele não é doação.
That it's not donation,
Ele
neither
é
a
um
loan.
investimento
It's a fund. It's an
que vai
investment
ter a
fund
rentabilidade que
that
o
will have the
mercado
earnings
dá
that the marketplace
e uma
will bring.
parte desse
And part of
rendimento
these profits or
vai
earnings
pagar
will
as
pay
pessoas que
the
mantiverem a
people that
floresta em
have
pé.
kept the forest standing.
Essa é a novidade.
That's what's new.
A Alemanha tem nos ajudado historicamente muito.
Historically has helped us a lot.
A Alemanha tem contribuído com
It
o
has
Fundo
contributed a
Amazônia.
lot with the Amazon
Nós
Fund.
somos gratos
And so
e
we're very
obrigado
grateful for that.
pelo
Grateful
anúncio.
for that. And thank you very much for announcing this investment.
Eu-
That's great. Yeah, thank you.